Hey, hello everyone. So I'm back with a new update. And as more and more folks are using TypMo, I'm getting some really good feedback about its features so that I can make the product even more useful for all of you. So you know that TypMo has a generate prompt feature wherein after you have that clarity with your wireframe, you can just go ahead and generate prompts for your AI coding tools. Now people love it. People love it because it's a one-tap solution. You just click on generate prompt and you get a very detailed prompt that you can take ahead and get a production ready app. Now, there's also some really good feedback around it. So first of all, folks said that while there is a lot of good prompt on front end, it will be also useful to have some backend guidance also, because ultimately, if you want to take an app production ready, then you also need to take care of your backend infra, which means that you need some guidance regarding databases and table relationships and some other things like serverless functions. So folks really want something like that along with front end implementation. Another feedback was that today in prompt generation you get a really big wall of text, and if you want to just copy it, it's fine, but if you want to understand it better, it becomes hard to read through that really long text. Also, there is no option to edit today, right? If you want to edit, you have to take the prompt to your AI coding tool or anywhere else and then manually make those edits. So based on all these feedbacks, today I'm happy to announce that some changes have been made to prompt generation. So on your screen, you see a very kind of a simple CRM app, but it has like lots of screens to it. And if we click on generate prompt and coding, I'll go to one of the previous generated versions. So today you see that along with front end, which you also used to get up till now, you also get some backend guidance, and this backend guidance will give you details for your database architecture, like what are the required tables, what are the relationships, things like row level security, serverless functions, authentication, real-time features, and general architecture notes. So this solves for having some backend guidance too. But today what I really want to show you is what I'm calling as prompt planner. So for every generated prompt, at the very bottom you will see an option to open in prompt planner, and if we go to prompt planner, you will see a very nicely formatted way to section to categorize your prompts. So now you will see that the same prompt is now presented in a very different manner. So you have project overview and architecture, you have complete project structure. You can simply browse through these sections individually. You can copy them, or you can just select everything together. But what's also really interesting is that if we go down in backend guidance and if we select database architecture, well, there's an interesting thing that now you also get to see the entity relationship diagram. So if I tap here, you will see that entire ERD has been created for you, and I think this will be really appreciated by you or your engineer friends, because now it makes it really easy to understand those tables and relationships. Also, there's this option to edit the prompts in place, so you can just make the edit, save it, and then copy it from here and take it to your AI coding tool. So overall, the idea is that the entire prompt is now very neatly structured. It's very readable, and it's very easy for you to make sense and edit it. So I hope that you will try this feature, and please let me know your feedback. Thank you.